Hey guys, what's up? My name is Mercedes and welcome to or back to my channel. Today's video is how I make my thumbnails with my iPhone 7 Plus. And these are just ways on how I make my thumbnails, and I hope you find this helpful. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any of my future videos. And yeah, let's just get on with the video. So now I am going into VSCO to do all of my presets and filters for the picture.
I can't recognize myself. You turn me upside down. Can't wrap my head around the way that these hands reach out for you like no one else. I don't know what you're doing to me, but can I have a little more, please? Can I have a little more? Can I have a
Sometimes I use Pixar, but I didn't mean to click on it, but on occasion I do use Pixar. So now I am using Fonto for everything else. I am going to pick the text.
Never thought I'd be touching you, holding my breath.
And now I am just going to curve the image. And I'm going to style it and outline it with black. And then I am going to space it out and put a shadow to it.
I need a reason why the party's almost over. Think I'm leaving with you tonight. Oh, something's different. I can't.
So now I am going to get my past thumbnails to just put on the image.
Can't wrap my head around the way that these hands reach out for you like no one else. I don't know what you're doing to me.
Now I'm just going to save it.
Can I have a little more, please?
Now I am just making another thumbnail. I am taking a picture from my video and I'm just going to crop it and put it in VCSO like I did the first one.
Can I have a little more?
Now I am just deciding on the presets for my image.
Girl, I'm looking at a face I don't recognize.
So now I am basically doing everything I did before, just a little bit differently. And what I do is I make two different thumbnails and then I send it to my friends and have them decide which one is better and which one I use in the end.
I know you're sorry, you dragged me through hell. If this was real, can you tell me what you felt? Cause it feels like it's over now. There's just too much pressure. There's just too much pressure. There's just too much pressure. There's just too much. I never thought that this would hit me so quick and hard. I never thought I'd flip, I never thought I'd miss your heart. But this turned to shit that we can't fix, and girl, yeah. And everybody.
So yeah guys, that is how I edit my thumbnails. If you found this helpful, please let me know in the comments down below, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on post notifications so you don't miss an upload, and hit that like button. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!